Eärendil Voidsinger is a Farseer of Craftworld Caelor. Ancient, far beyond what looks may reveal, this veteran of 1,000 wars spanning millennia of change has endured terrors within every corner of space. From the depths of the Halo stars to the domain of the Eye of Terror, it is a wonder that her willpower has prevented the embrace of madness to overwhelm her mind, considering the nightmares she has witnessed. Present during the fall of the Eldari Empire, Eärendil was among the first to foresee the rise of the Imperium of Man as the incumbent inheritors of the galaxy. The most well-guarded Eldari tomes, claimed by humanity, cite that Voidsinger has even stood upon the soil of Terra prior to the rise of the Emperor of Mankind. The true extent of her deeds impossible to recount, due to her countless bygone ventures of extant eras. This peerless warrior has fought alongside every craftworld and many cooperative alien species, sharing counsel with the enigmatic solitaires of Kegarak on multiple occasions. While many proclaim her to have sanction to visit the Black Library at will, others claim she has strode unmolested within the streets of Commorragh. As a senior member of the Conclave of Tears, Eärendil does not represent Caelor alone, but every craftworld. Her boundless wisdom and unparalleled experience a worthy addition to this assemblage of Eldar champions. Knowing her long life to be close to an end, as only the sagest souls can discern, her pledge to save the Jericho Reach from utter annihilation shall be her last act of defiance within a corroding galaxy. Passing the myriad futures to come, as is the prognostication talent of all Farseers, though Voidsinger cannot scry the fate to which her life shall end, it shall without a doubt be within this region of space. Acceding to the warnings which chime from the crystal glades of her craftworld of origin for decades, the crystalline forebears of her kin forewarn a great doom, to which the Conclave of Tears seeks to prevent. Her own skin slowly turning to the same pellucid sheen to which her predecessors now stand immobile. Her indefinite counsel on matters to which the Conclave tend is invaluable to achieving their goals. Personally securing high-valued targets to which her genius does not comprehend, Eärendil's steadfast alliance with Harlequins allows for Aelil Nuada to relieve the Farseer of the burden of insight during her twilight years. Troubled by the Hadex anomaly warp rift, which harries the eastern fringe, the omen of its baleful glare is a reminder that Eärendil's time is short, and she must put an end to the spread of chaos before she too becomes a symbol of the ravages of arcane power.